Hi, I'm Mike Melsmone with EC Enterprises. Today we're going to be going over changing tape in our SB2EX tape head. First we're going to start by looking at the tape. We'll have to loosen the screw here that holds the tape head into the machine, slide it forward and out. We can lay it right down on the pack table here. When we thread the tape in, we have to find out which side is the sticky side of the tape. So when we put it on the tape core, we'll move away the silencer arm. Make sure the sticky side is facing outwards. Place the tape and the tape cartridge. Again, the sticky side is outside. We'll put it over the roller, over the other black roller. Now the sticky side is going to be against this gold color roller on the inside of the tape head. We bring it down through the frame. Sticky side again on the gold color roller down here. And then I can just pull. And that'll thread the tape through the system. Once we get to this point, we want to make sure that the tape goes through the two fingers here. And that's going to make sure the tape stays where it needs to be, between these two. Now I have an extra bit of tape here, so what I'm going to do is hold the back roller, push it in, because this knife blade again is really sharp, and then I will cut the tape off. Let the roller come up and we'll be ready for the next package. Replace the cartridge into the machine. Careful, this is going to be about 15 pounds. We'll slide it into the tape seat, slide it back, and then retighten the knob there. Now we're all set with the new tape roll. Once we have the tape threaded, we'll run a box through to make sure the tape is good. Thanks for watching. This concludes our tape threading diagram for EC-EX black tape heads. If you have any more questions about our tapers or EC products, please go to our YouTube channel or EC.com to find more helpful videos. Thank you.